Oh, you son of a bastard. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing, guys? This, man, this. Let me not cuss. Trip right off. Yeah, I think my phone gonna fall again. Type a 1 in the chat if you think my phone gonna fall. Oh shit. See, sometimes you just gotta move a little bit. These roads suck. Man, what the hell y'all typing 1 for? I forgot what I said. Type a 1 in the chat if you remember what I said. Because I don't. Hit a knob. Oh yeah, I said if my phone gonna fall. Damn, y'all just want my phone to fall. Well, guess what? Bow! It ain't falling now. Hold on, we gotta order, cuz. DoorDash. DoorDash. Is this a good order? I'm trying to find out. This is my first day. This is my first night as a dasher. I'm trying to figure out, is this a good order? Can somebody help me out? If this is a good order, type 1 in the chat. If this is a good order, type 1 in the chat. Because I'm trying to find out. Kenny, you're banned. Was that a good order? Damn, that was a bad order. It said $10. No. Oh shit, my bad. Hey. Hell no, that was trash. Dang. Average order. That was a crackhead order. Oh man. Dang, that's messed up. They smoking crack up at DoorDash headquarters? Oh man. Damn. Smoking work up at DoorDash headquarters. I ain't even know. That is crazy. Who sold it to him though? Who was they getting it from? Oh my God. It's so nice they had to send it twice. They hitting that crack rock hard, boy. What is wrong with these executives up at the top penthouse box office? What is wrong with them? So nice they had to send it twice. Andre, your hand. Damn. They said it's so nice you got to send it twice. Ain't that some shit? They smoking drugs up at DoorDash headquarters. Look at this. They said we need 10%. 10% of your money customer and 10% of your money dasher. How you charge a delivery fee and a service fee? Which one do I get? Let me know that, DoorDash. Because when you place a DoorDash order as a customer, Dash Pass or not, that must say delivery fee and service fee. So let me know, which one do I get for going 10 miles, DoorDash? Because this shit ain't adding up. This shit ain't adding up. Oh man, they want us to deliver for free.